Alright, it's Friday. We are here. Solo Motorsports, Covina. Ooh, I see Big Blue over here in the corner. So the truck's been here for, took him about 3 days. And there she is. Stage 4 install's all complete. Yeah, Bronco time. So, here's a quick in the tire well picture what's going on in here. Got some bump stops, king coilovers, plated my radius arms, new shock cage. As you can see, I mean, they went through and painted everything. Everything looks absolutely awesome. I'm gonna need some new inner fenders, but that's just because they're dirty and because I don't clean that. But the guys at Solo did an awesome job. Here it is. Back tire. Got my limiting strap. Some smooth bodies. I got their under the bed shock mount. As you can see the reservoir over there. When I get home, I'll do some more pictures of the underneath sections. But again, like painted the frame, got everything looking nice and shiny. Also, I can beat it up. It's awesome.